to an open house today, and when I got there, it didn't feel right, because the house sitting way back in the woods. There weren't any open house signs, and I didn't feel comfortable. You know how people just up and disappear, right? If I wasn't alone, I probably would have went on up, but the open house was was actually advertised online for today between 2 and 4. Of course, I was there about 2:45, but the house sits way back and it wasn't advertised like I'm accustomed to seeing signs saying open house with balloons and everything and a welcoming atmosphere, but it didn't look right. So I followed my gut and just hightailed it out of there. You never know. It may have been legit, but I've been to many open houses and I've never been to one where it's not a sign placed on the property at the edge of the driveway or something. Like I said, the house set back in the woods, so I wouldn't attempt to go up. So guys, just use caution when you're out and about. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your gut. I'm not about to try to go missing. Doing what I love to do. My passion is going to open houses, shopping for houses, or run upon something that I can afford. Because I would definitely pursue it, but I'm not gonna go anywhere where my guts say, hey, don't go there. So anyway, it was a little bit disappointed because of it, but better to be disappointed than get out in that woods and get jacked and no one knows what happened to me. All right. Until next time. I actually went ahead and bought some donuts since they were on sale today. Krispy Kreme, my favorite donuts, and they were on sale for the game today, just today at $9.99 instead of $15 like they normally be for a dozen. So anyways, better safe than sorry.